Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. And for some reason I do not have my contacts, so let me try again. If not, we will quickly add new one. Alright, so we can create new contact. Okay, just quickly, Duffy. Alright, tap on save. And here we've got our contact. So just tap on it and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture. And here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So in the device photos, we've got our own gallery, so you can set your own photo, obviously. You can tap on camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, so you can do it right now. Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos and illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so you can choose something from those options and set it as a photo. So let me quickly pick maybe this one. Just tap on it and here we've got presets. We can change the colors. Moreover, we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to. I will pick those two baby penguins and tap on choose. Tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.